so this lesson is still on compound interest, except we're going to focus more on changing time periods and rates. Now, we've done a little bit of this with simple interest and things of the sort. So this video is just simply doing what we've done before, hopefully, and focusing on changing it. So that's why change the number of time periods and rate to use the compound interest formula, which is just there. Okay, so make sure you write that down. All right, let's go straight to an example. And here's an example. And always when it says compounded, we've got to think, oh yeah, I've got to use the compound interest formula. So just dump it on the page. Now, we know what everything of this is. This is the principal. Okay, and that's a starting amount, all right? So we're looking for a dollar sign. This is the rate, okay? So it's going to be a rate, and it's always over 100. And this is the number of time periods. Now, this is the total amount. So this will be also a dollar sign there, okay? Even though that doesn't really look like a dollar sign. So it's really important that we look at that again. Now, let's just do the question, okay? So we've got A equals P 1 over R N. Now, one thing I have to look at is that this is compounded. So Ben's investing $20,000 in the bank, and the money is compounded. So we've got compound interest formula, 6% per annum. Now, per annum means per year, and over 5 years. How much will he have in the bank after 5 years if the interest is paid monthly? Now, this is really, really important. Because normally we go, what's the number of time periods? It says 5 years, but it's not, because the interest is paid what? It's paid monthly, okay? So we have to figure out for N, how many months are there in a year? If you said 12, you're correct. So we have to go 5 times 12, which equals 60. So our number of time periods is 60 because we compound once a month for 5 years. So 12 times each year, 12 times each year. Now we also have to change the rate, because see how the rate is per annum, so per year. Because it's compounded monthly, we need to change that to a monthly rate as well. So the way we do that is we just go rate, and we go 6%, which we know is 6 over 100 over 12. Okay, so you can go 6% or like that. You can use either one of these two. So if you're using the first one, make sure you put the percentage symbol in your calculator. If you don't know how to do it, this gives you the same result. Okay? All right, let's answer the question then. So A equals, our principal is our starting amount. We're looking for a big number. Oh, there it is, $20,000. 1 plus, I'm going to use this first one for our rate. So I'm going to, because I can use the percentage button, and I'm going to divide it by 12. And then the number of time periods is 60, because there's 60 months in 5 years. Okay? So we go A, and now all I'm going to do, I've got my calculator right here. I'm going to put exactly that in my calculator. Now, it's really important that what we type in our calculator, we write as working out. So I've got an answer of 26,977 and 0.00305. So in actual fact, we can simplify it to just $26,977. Okay? So that's pretty good for investing over 5 years. You make an extra almost $7,000. Anyway, that is all for this lesson. Peace out.